Now, we'll continue to track the developments, especially when it comes to the rescue operations that remain underway. Right now, we'll be shifting focus. Bullock carts queued up on the streets of India's IT capital today as the BJP staged a massive statewide stir against the Karnataka Congress government's decision to hike petroleum prices by 3 rupees and diesel prices by 3.50 rupees. The protests, which began today, are aimed at pressurizing the government to roll back the increase. The BJP has threatened to continue the protests until the hike is revoked and even threatened to gherao the Chief Minister's residence. The protests have already spread to various parts of the state, including Mangaluru. The Karnataka government had increased the sales tax on fuel, making it costlier for consumers. And the BJP claims that this will disproportionately affect the common man and is demanding the government reconsider its decision.
Massive protests and drama unfolding at the Freedom Park even as the BJP here stages this massive protest against the fuel price hike in Karnataka. 3 rupees of a rise in petrol and diesel prices has sparked off this outrage and protest. The BJP says that this is a loot and a daylight robbery and the common man continues to pay the price. On one hand, the Congress says they provide guarantees. On the other, you're also hearing ministers themselves confessing that, this increase in price of fuel will in fact fund the guarantees as well. I have Dr. Ashwath Narayan here with me. Ashwath sir, if you could tell us, you maintain that you will not stop these protests.
We totally condemn the Congress government. It has been always anti-people. They've been always only one thing they've been doing: price rise, price rise, price rise.
That's the word from Mr. who says that all that the Congress has done is, only increase fuel prices or other commodity prices as well. We've seen, the BJP raise its voice against the rise, as far as stamp duty is concerned, liquor prices are concerned. Milk prices are concerned. Now they're saying this is once again going to really affect the common man quite a bit. The Congress remains defiant. They say, in comparison to other states, Karnataka, the prices of fuel, even after this hike, much lesser, and this is something that's the need of the hour.
Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who is facing allegations of hiking prices to finance his freebies, slammed the BJP over their protests against the fuel hike. Siddaramaiah said that BJP-ruled states have higher fuel prices and state governments are now left with limited revenue-generating options as the centre collects GST.
ರಾಜ್ಯ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ದಿವಾಳಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು 3,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. 60,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.